Good morning, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Extension, and today I am going to discuss about personality and personality traits. Firstly, we will see what is meant by personality. Personality is the total quality of an individual. The word personality comes from the Latin word persona, which means the mask worn by the players in the theatre. Personality consists of observable behavior. It is defined as an individual typical or consistent adjustment to his environment. The elements of personality are called as traits of personality. It is the traits that make one person different from another person in his behavior. Now we will move towards the definition of personality. The first definition of personality is that personality is the quality of an individual's total behavior. Then second definition is given as personality is the unique, integrated and organized system of all behavior of a person. It is the sum total of one's experience, thoughts and actions. Then we will see personality traits. Personality traits are the elements of one's personality which makes him different from other person or other person's personality. The dimensions of personality can be divided into two categories. First one is physical traits and second one is behavior traits. Under physical traits, there are three traits, that is drive, temperament and capacities. And under behavior traits, there are four traits. First one is ideas, second one is habits, third one is attitudes and fourth one is wishes. So we will start from physical traits. Under physical traits, first one is drive. Drive means a form of motivation in which the organism is impelled by the factor beyond its control. These consist of inner energies, tendencies, and urges that interact with outside forces and become dynamic patterns of response as a result of its interaction. Then second one is temperament. Temperament is the characteristics mood of an individual which may bring elation, depression or confidence in him. Then third physical trait is capacities. Capacities is a sort of inherited potentiality which enables the organism to acquire certain ability to do certain tasks. So these are the physical traits. Now we will see behavior traits. In behavior traits, first one is ideas. Ideas includes all mental pictures, concepts, impressions, motions and factual knowledge. Then second one is habits. Habits are the acquired ways of feeling and doing which tend to repeat themselves under appropriate condition. Then third one is attitudes. Attitudes is an acquired or learned and established tendency to react towards or against something or somebody. All attitudes are habits, but not all habits are attitudes. And the last trait is wishes. A wish is one or set of attitudes focused on a goal. There is no action without a wish. Wishes helps to explain human behavior. So, these are the personality traits. Thank you.